Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. We are going to discuss about the projects. First, those of you who have already submitted the synopsis and writing projects and projects have been submitted, they need not first open their, they need not raise their hand. But those who have not submitted the synopsis or project first should raise the hand or talk to me. Anybody who has not submitted the synopsis or not submitted the project, can you talk to me? Everybody has submitted?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, submitted.
Okay. So your Viva Vosa is also over?
No, sir. Viva is left right
नो
now.
सर उसी के बारे में प्लीज डिस्कस कीजिए सर वाइवा वो उसके बारे में क्या करना है
Okay,
उसमें
fine. Fine. So basically, Viva Voce is always related to your project because first question will be always why did you select this project? Why didn't you select project on AI, big data, cloud computing, or something like that? So those who have the projects on AI based, they'll be very safe. But then you should have to bring out the importance of AI. You know, AI has become most viral all over the country, not all over the country, all over the world. AI is being utilized in administration, in education, in production, in every field it is being used. Okay, so therefore, AI becomes almost the panacea for all projects. So anybody who has written a project on AI, can you ask the question or tell me what are the projects you have written? Anybody who has written a project on AI based? None?
No, sir.
Poonam, you have written AI based?
No, sir. It's e-commerce.
Eh?
My project is e-commerce, not AI
ई
based.
कमर्स में भी एआई लगाया जा सकता है बिकॉज एआई इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर एवरी प्रोजेक्ट देखिए
Yes, sir.
ई कमर्स में आप फॉर एग्जांपल आप मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल का कर रहे हो या ग्रोसरी का कर रहे हो या वेजिटेबल्स का कर रहे हो तो उसमें आप एआई से चीजें कैसे रखनी है फॉर एग्जांपल वेयर देयर इज ए अनियन यू शुड कीप पोटैटो एंड टोमेटो आल्सो where there is a bread, you should keep butter and egg also. So these are something which are very, very important. So they come through AI. Okay? तो पूनम आप क्या कर रहे हैं प्रोजेक्ट में बताओ
Sir, that my project is related to cloud native, where it is for the vendors basically, and
so
the vendor.
why do you call it cloud? This is
So
a question which is most important for you. Why it is known as cloud?
uh, so because
You
we
know
are
the answer.
using AWS cloud computing over there.
Now, why it is known as cloud computing? Why the person gave the name cloud computing to it?
Um,
See, when
Sir, because
you
it is not the database is on cloud, so that's the reason.
basically why cloud was given because whenever you are saying internet, you make a some figure like cloud
Yes,
और
sir.
उसको कहना शुरू कर दिया cloud computing. Or I have been talking on this since almost year 2000. I said by 2020 name will be changed, but it has not changed. It still remains cloud computing even in year 2025 and even 2030 it will remain cloud. Now, cloud computing means there is a network of computers where whole materials, for example, you ask questions from Google, straightway answer comes. Now Google has network of computers all over the world. So all these things, immediately question comes and questions answer is given. So that's where it says it's a cloud-like thing. It's a huge affair of the data which you are able to do. You know the story of GPS? You know story of GPS, bete?
ग्लोबल पोजिशनिंग सिस्टम बोलते हैं लेकिन
So
स्टोरी नहीं पता मुझे।
GPS,
I know it's a global positioning system, a Google positioning system. But how did it come? You know, the CEO of Google is earlier citizen of India. His name is Darshan Pichele, right? You know that? He
yes,
studied
sir.
at
Yes,
IIT
sir.
Kharagpur. His wife also was studying there. And then he didn't, he and his wife were invited for a dinner. He was not CEO at that time, he was a team leader. And once they were invited, he told his wife to go directly from her home, whereas he said, I'll come from the office. She reached in time, but Darshan could not find out the location of the house of the friend. Result was he reached almost at 10 o'clock in the night. Dinner was over by that time. And then next day, he invited his 7, 8 people, his team people. He said, why should anybody suffer like this? So from there, GPS came up. That is Google positioning system. So now you use GPS almost abundantly. Whenever you are going from one place to another, you use GPS. That's the wonderful story of Google. Now, of course, Darshan Patel is the CEO. He is Microsoft CEO is our Indian born. Our IBM CEO is Indian born. All these big technical committees are headed by Indian national. Now, of course, they are all Americanized. So that's where you see, and you know, uh, Google is bringing a huge project on AI at Visakhapatnam, which is infrastructure is being developed by Adani, and he is he is giving all the scientific input for AI. So big AI will be there in about another 3, 4 months, which will be handling at Visakhapatnam. Okay, so now your project is e-commerce on cloud computing. So first question
Yes,
could
sir.
be what is cloud computing? You are able to answer that question. Next is why e-commerce? E-commerce is a very old thing. Amazon.com, Flipkart, Setup, all these are doing all the time e-commerce. Why did you take up the e-commerce?
So because it is providing the platform for the vendors. Basically it is more towards vendors platform, where the vendor can put the can display their products, and they can form a space for themselves, and can directly communicate with the client, that is the person who is shopping. So that's the reason. So it is an open platform for the vendor to directly connect with the customer.
But Amazon.com, Flipkart, all these are providing that. Why did you do it?
Because we don't have in this project we are not putting any mediator.
Okay, good. Good answer. So that you are sticking to this, but you say I know Amazon.com. Amazon.com is as early as 1990s, as soon as the internet was started.
Right,
And
sir.
Flipkart started in the year 2010 or something like that. He is a billionaire. So
Right.
similarly, Lens, iLens and all that, that person started only about 10, 15 years back. He's also billionaire, giving crores of rupees for entrepreneur on loan and all that. So that's where you see lot of things are there.
Right,
Okay,
sir.
Poonam, your questioning answer is fine. So
Okay,
you
sir.
be prepared for your thing, and if
Okay,
you
sir.
have some doubt, you can call me up after 20th.
Sure,
Okay?
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. Any other person, please? Any other person? Come out. Yes.
सर ये सिनॉप्सिस का अप्रूवल कितने टाइम में आता है?
आपने अभी प्रोजेक्ट नहीं लिखा, सिनॉप्सिस दिया है.
हाँ जी.
Synopsis takes about 1 month.
और वो एलएमएस पे ही अप्रूवल मिलेगा
है?
कि ईमेल वगैरह? एलएमएस में ही अप्रूवल दिखेगा कि ईमेल वगैरह आएगा?
You will get email. You will get also that one page जो होता है वो आपको आएगा. उस पर
मतलब वो
रिमार्क्स
जो
आएंगे.
जहाँ अपलोड करते हैं वहीं आएगा?
है?
ऑनलाइन पोर्टल में अपलोड करते हैं उधर ही आएगा?
हाँ हाँ, वहीं आएगा, वहीं आएगा.
नहीं आ जाएगा. तुम्हारा
ओके,
ईमेल एड्रेस अगर ठीक है तो उस ईमेल पर आ जाएगा.
अच्छी बात.
क्या प्रोजेक्ट तुम्हारा, सिनॉप्सिस किस प्रोजेक्ट पर है?
थोड़ा एआई पे है सर, बहुत
है?
थोड़ा है, थोड़ा सा एआई पे है.
क्या नाम बताओ प्रोजेक्ट का.
सर वो एआई यूज करके एंटरप्राइज सिस्टम में यूजर असिस्टेंस कैसे प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं, कुछ ऐसा है.
एआई किस चीज के लिए यूज करते हो?
इंफॉर्मेशन सोर्स करने के लिए, डिस्प्ले करने के लिए, दोनों के लिए.
ओके. ऑल राइट. ऑल राइट. ठीक है. You wait for the synopsis to be approved and then start writing the project and then we discuss that.
जी सर.
Anybody else?
मैंने सर क्लाउड बेस्ड ई एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम बनाया है सर.
Cloud based re-examination system.
ई एग्जामिनेशन, यस सर, ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम.
बेटे वो
Cloud
तो
based.
बहुत पुराने प्रोजेक्ट है, पर क्लाउड कहाँ है तो ठीक है. बट आई डोंट. You have already written the project?
यस सर, सबमिटेड.
Submitted. Okay. Because it your synopsis was approved.
यस सर, यस सर.
Okay. So you know we have discussed with the young lady the question of cloud computing.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
you have to discuss about examination system, because
Yes,
for
sir.
example all these GRE, TOEFL,
Yes, sir.
Microsoft test, PCI test, all tests are all done on online. So
Yes, sir.
what are you doing on this? You are having
Sir, actually,
examination system of a university online. Is that so?
yes, sir. I have designed it for like law examination conducted by
Large?
Delhi universities. Law examination, law, sir.
Oh, law.
Law degree.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They are
So
already
there was,
there. Lot of people are, for the last almost 20 years, people are using online testing processes and all
sir,
that.
that is entrance examination, sir. In case, for example, situation like COVID happens, or due to pollution, there are issues in conducting of examination, not the testing, sir. The
Okay.
testing is happening, but examinations are not happening on cloud, sir. So that is why I chose this one key. In situations like that, we can also conduct the whole examination over cloud
Okay.
from for a particular course
So,
in a particular
देखो बेटे,
university.
ये आई डोंट नो, हमारे मेरिट में फॉर आवर ITI students we
Sir,
carry out the test online.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
These tests are conducted almost every month, so
Sir,
they are done all online, and
sir,
tests are for success of the students. That's why ultimately our students again appear in their examination, get more than 90% marks, because we
sir.
do the testing, continue testing of those children
Yes,
on
sir.
online. That's why
Yes,
it is helpful. So that
yes,
way you can say your testing process will be more frequent, so that the children are more exposed to the testing procedures, so that they'll do well in your final examination.
and
That
that
type
would be
of
a
answer
wonderful
you
answer,
should be
sir.
able
That
to
would be
give.
a wonderful
Okay?
answer. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any other person, please?
Sir, I have made a project which is based on Python. Basically, Python security camera
Speak
system.
little louder, please.
Sir, I have made a Python-based project which includes security camera.
Huh.
So my project is security camera using Python, basically.
Okay. So why did you do this?
So for security purposes, like nowadays, Python is language which is on like
What
demand.
what what are the security procedures you are using?
So, like for example, if a hand is detected or any person who is detected, so the alarm sound will be produced from my system. So that is the main motive.
क्रिप्टो क्रिप्टिंग क्या होता है? You know what is crypting?
No.
क्रिप्टिंग सिक्योरिटी के लिए क्रिप्टिंग यूज होता है.
Okay. So I don't have a idea about that, but
क्रिप्टो का बेटे क्रिप्ट
Encryption, sir.
where you
Encryption
are,
and
for
decryption.
example, for a number you are using alphabets. For alphabet you are using a number. For for you are using four, something like that. This is the crypto. So
Yes,
that
sir. Encryption,
it
decryption
is
होता है, sir.
being changed in a systematic manner, so that that type of thing, either alphabet from A to Z or from S to Z, and all these are there. So, but 1 to 9, these numbers are changed like this, so that they are able to give it. So that type of thing is known cryptic and all that. Okay, so that you say your workshop is totally crypted, so that nobody can other than you can see what are the messages being given. Okay, so that type of things which are important. All right, any
okay.
other person, please?
सर मुझसे और क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं सर? ई
बेटे
ई
आप देखो,
एग्जामिनेशन.
आप प्रोजेक्ट बताइए, प्रोजेक्ट के मुताबिक मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा.
वही सर, ई ई एग्जामिनेशन क्लाउड वाला सर.
है
सर सर
क्लाउड बेस्ड ई
सर
एग्जामिनेशन.
नहीं, क्लाउड पर तो ये हो गया जो मैंने क्लाउड के क्वेश्चन पूछा, व्हाई इट इज नोन एज क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, एंड हाउ डू यू गेट द आंसर फॉर from Google or Yahoo or Wikipedia, how do you get the answer immediately and all that? And so that you want what time is the sunrise in New York, you will immediately get the information that New York sunrise is this one. Or when is the sunrise in Delhi, you will immediately get the information. So that type of thing is very, very popular, and it's being used very, very frequently. So what is the time? There are 3 blocks of time in USA: East, West, East, Central, and West. So now which one you want you are going asking a person at New York what time you should call so that the person is not sleeping, something like that. So that's the type of thing. And Canada, there are 5 time zones, so you should be able to get different time zones out there. So that type of thing, which are very important. So those things are worth knowing, so that you can do it. So okay, any other project, please?
sir, I have made one cash automation system,
Huh?
banking system. I have made the project of cash automation system. This is
नहीं,
related
जरा
to the
ऊंचा बोलो
financial
बेटे.
sector. My project name is cash automation system, which is totally based on banking system, financial transactions.
अच्छा.
And I have made this project because of that I am totally based of this financial sector. Currently, I have been working in this sector, so nowadays many the bad transaction is happening, fraud is happening in the financial the sector. On that basis, I have made that project. So,
Why
which
did
kind of
you select
question
this
may I
project?
ask?
This is the first question.
As I told you that I have been working in this sector since a long time, and currently I'm working in the financial sector, so that I have chosen this the domain. And the core domain of my is this financial sector, banking transactions.
Okay. Or
And I use this the
okay.
Java server in this project.
Why didn't you take up AI or big data or machine learning process into the system?
So since big data and AI is it is very new concept nowadays, and we are in the phase of learning of these the things.
नहीं, AI तो
So
आपने थर्ड
currently
सेमेस्टर में पढ़ा है.
implementation,
You have appeared in rolling examination. You know AI and machine learning process. You know machine learning also.
but I don't have so much the knowledge about the AI since in the financial sector I have been
Don't
already
tell that.
working.
Don't tell that examiners that you don't have knowledge of AI because you have appeared in AI paper. So you say you
No,
are.
that kind of knowledge, sir, in which
Yeah,
I
you
can
you should tell
talk.
the in answer to the vice versa that you don't know AI. You say I'll develop AI later.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Mm. Any more question they can ask related to this,
Okay.
the topic?
Yeah.
So
All
AI,
right.
AI
Any
is the
other
burning,
project?
the top. Yeah.
That's okay. Any other project, please?
Thank you, sir.
Any
Yeah.
more?
Hi, sir. Kaz this side. So I have basically built a project
Uh,
based on machine learning models. So basically, the thing is, we have different kind of symptoms, right? So the project will detect what kind of disease you have. So mainly, I have,
yeah, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
yeah.
Hello. हाँ जी. हेलो.
बिट्टू,
हाँ.
आप घर के अंदर हो बाहर हो?
अंदर हूँ. मैं क्लास ले रहा हूँ वो प्रोजेक्ट की.
आप अभी बच्चों को सुना रहे हो?
हाँ हाँ.
ओके ओके फाइन. आई थिंक अभी आप जवाब मत देना. अभी जैसे अनिल आएगा तो फिर वो सामान कैसे रखेगा? दरवाजा खुला हुआ है.
ओके. दरवाजा खोल देता हूँ. ओके. I'll open. Just hold on, please.
Oh yeah, sure, sir.
अच्छा, और बैग के अंदर ना, पिंक वाले बैग के अंदर आपका खाना है बिट्टू.
Okay.
बिट्टू,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
पिंक वाले बैग के अंदर किस वाले डिस्प्ले के साथ रोटी भी है.
Okay.
इसे आप निकाल लेना, ये आने की कुर्सी पर रख देगा, ठीक है?
Sorry, I am back. Yes.
Yes, sir. So I have built the project based on machine learning models. So that will predict many diseases, like for example, heart disease. So I am taking different kind of parameter details that is required to identify the person have heart disease or not. So I'm taking that using parameters, and I am using the machine learning models to detect the accuracy. And I'm using different models. So I'm taking the best accuracy from the model and use that model to predict the person has disease.
How do you select the data for the uh, building up the model?
So currently we have some predefined model that are already trained based on the data that are required for predicting the disease, heart disease. So I am using that model, and after getting the user inputs, I am taking that pre-model to
What
predict the
type of
disease.
regression you are getting out of the model?
Basically, I'm using, sir, logistic regression here
Okay.
to identify whether the person has heart disease, or because this is a true value, right? True or false, either the person has heart disease or not.
Good.
So
Good.
that's why I'm using
Good.
those models.
Good. I think you have a good project. I'm
Thank you.
happy that you are taking AI as a big data machine learning process as one of the important projects.
Yeah.
So you should select the data from the total data. You should select sample data, which should be well represented, and then if you find your prediction is not coming true, you should select more data and all that, because it's
Yeah.
a machine learning process can handle lot of data. That's what is important. Good.
Yeah.
I'm happy about it.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Any other person? Akash Verma, you are good.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Any other person, please?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Can you hear
Yes,
me?
Kamal. What is
Yes,
your
sir.
project?
Yeah, sir. I have built Flutter-based project. So, in this project, I have built one code base, and it can be used for multiple platforms like Android, iOS, Mac, Windows, all other platforms. So, in e-commerce, I have used Flutter and Dart as for logic for doing coding. I have used Dart. That. So using Flutter, I built e-commerce in which I've used data repository and domain pattern architecture pattern. So in which I'm using database for it using Firebase, NoSQL based.
You are using SQL?
Not NoSQL. I'm using here Firebase data, which is real-time database update through Firebase only.
But you are not using SQL thing?
No, because Firebase has built-in mechanism for using SQL things. So it is kind of we just use as a that SQL repository, sorry, Firebase repository, and using that Firebase instance, using Firebase CLI, we can send data and we can retrieve data using that Firebase integration.
Sure, good.
Which is SaaS model, like software as a service.
All right.
For using database.
You can add AI into it?
Sir, I'm having the future scope to add using chatbot. I can integrate that OpenAI's API for using AI things.
Okay.
I have that in future scope.
Good.
I can do it.
Good. So that future you will be able to do it.
Yeah, so because currently it has multiple modules. I have developed data domain repository patterns. So it is having products, then card data, card product cards. Then it gets into user and order things we have to manage in that. Then fetching data in orders, then payment gateway, and multiple modules are there. So it is taking too much time, sir. So that's why I have assumed that I can do it, but it will take some time. Sir.
Good. Good. Okay. Some other project, please?
So is it done from my side?
Yes, this is okay. Kamal, fine. I think your project is okay. You can say AI, I'll be able to utilize future.
Okay, yes.
Yeah. Any other? Vivek Raz? Anybody else? We have another 3 days available for, so next 3 days we can, that is on 23rd, 29th and 30th November. So we can discuss more projects. Those who have submitted the projects, you can even send me email of the project. You can note by email rkdatta, DATTA_IN @yahoo.com. You can send me email your projects and salient features if you want to send, or you want to send full project, you can send full project. Okay. And then we can have.
Repeat your email, sir.
Eh?
Repeat your email, sir.
Email
Email, sir. Can you repeat your email ID?
RK
Sir.
small RK DATTA Datta
Sir.
underscore
Sir.
IN
Okay.
@yahoo.com.
Thank you,
You
sir.
can write in the chat box. I can see it is correct or not.
Yes, sir.
It's okay.
Kamal already wrote it, sir.
It's
He is
okay.
very fast.
Good. So ठीक है, then if there's nobody coming now.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I have made a project on e-wasteconnect.com. E-waste, collection of e-waste from general public and collecting
Collection
it
of?
and e-waste.
Collection
E-waste
of?
means like laptop, computers, and all the electronic goods which should be disposed properly, responsibly, just to lower down the contamination, and should be if there are some parts which can be reused, they should be reused to lower the carbon footprints. I made a
Okay.
project on it,
Okay.
and
Okay.
I can show it to you.
Okay.
I am running this project. It is on. I have deployed it on render.com as well as railway app, and it is running on my local host also.
But this can be extended to the world over. Waste management, electronic waste management as a process.
Yes, it can be. It is of global nature.
Yeah.
It has a map like facility for collector also, so it can be used globally. And I can show it if you want. I can show it.
Yes, please show.
Okay.
This is good.
Okay.
What is your name? HRK stands for?
Myself, Mohammad Harun Rashid Khan.
Okay, fine. I think this is a good project. Good project.
Okay, sir. Let me show it to you.
Thank you. Any other person? Anyone else? Otherwise, you prepare for the next class, that is on 23rd. That is also 11 to 1. Okay?
HRK ने शेयर किया है, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, you. Anybody?
HRK is showing, sir.
Eh?
HRK is showing his screen, sir.
I couldn't follow you.
HRK ने शेयर किया है सर अपनी स्क्रीन को, जिसमें वो ई वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट दिखा रहा है कैसे रन होता है.
Okay.
He is a master class.
Brilliant. Okay, annotated. Fine.
Sir, these are my quotes. You can see.
I can't get it. Is very small.
It is a Flash-based app. It has Python.
Output दिखाओ ना, output.
Output.
You are written on Python?
Yes, sir.
Good. I can't read it.
He is an expert, sir.
Don't worry. It's fine. You have got the output also.
सर ये वाइवा बोसी में चला के दिखाने को बोलेंगे.
हाँ, बिल्कुल बोल सकते हैं.
अच्छा, बोल सकते हैं, बोलेंगे जरूरी नहीं है.
जरूरी नहीं है, but depends on the type of answer you are giving and type of question they are this, and then the sentiment of the examiner. Mood क्या है?
Sir, as you can see, this is my home page.
Kind of planet, one device at a time. I see. Okay.
This is my
challenges, resource loss. Good.
Home page.
Confusion. Our simple 3-step process: register and request, get it collected, and track. What is that third one?
Track to completion.
Okay, fine.
Here the user will be informed that a certificate will be generated by the recycler.
Good.
So the user will get informed that his or her e-waste has been responsibly disposed by the certified recycler, and he has responsibly done it.
Good.
So a certificate. So
Good.
this is my home page, and this is my about us section.
This is mission.
Our mission to create transparent, efficient, and accessible digital ecosystem responsible for e-waste management. We aim to reach.
Good.
ठीक है सर. So ये इसमें process again हमने mention.
This can be total project for the planet itself.
Yes, sir. So I've written articles on it also. These are articles: human cost of e-waste, urban mining, the gold mine, what is circular economy. These are the different articles I've written, and you can even continue reading. You can even go inside these articles and read. So a person who knows nothing about e-waste can learn a lot about it and get interested in in giving us their e-waste. So again, coming back to these are the different you can see different articles on it. This is my contact page. Okay.
Fine.
Fine. So let me show you my admin.
Okay.
This is my admin dashboard. So till now 72 requests has been raised, 9 are pending requests, 23 have been processed, and 10 users have registered on it in total. Okay. There is a new request and all these last 30 days record of the request. So as soon as I put a new request, this will change. This graph will change.
How do you get it managed? You show me. You have shown in the picture lot of television, PCs and all that. How do you manage that?
Yeah. How do I manage? As it is SQL at the back end, SQL is working. So database, SQL database.
Okay.
So
just a moment. I have got somebody. Just a moment. Let me handle somebody.
Okay.
जबरदस्त है चार के जबरदस्त. शार्क टैंक में आ जाओ तुम.
अरे नहीं, आप यार दोस्तों का साथ रहे तो आ सकते हैं. आप लोग साथ दो तो आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.
ये अभी आपने मींस यू हैव लॉन्च्ड दिस और व्हाट? और ये सिर्फ अभी डमी है?
ये वर्किंग है.
लॉन्च हो गया. ये तो लॉन्च्ड है. 10 यूजर्स आ गए.
ये आप अभी मेरा डाटाबेस एक्सपायर हो गया. रेंडर पे 1 महीने के लिए फ्री मिला था. अदरवाइज ये तो आप ऑनलाइन देख सकते हैं.
ओह अच्छा.
ये देखिए, ये ऑनलाइन रन कर रहा है. ये रेंडर पे रन कर रहा है. ठीक है. और ये आपका रेलवे ऐप पे रन कर रहा है. ये इंटरनल सर्वर एरर इसलिए आ रहा है कि मेरा अब वो पैसे मांग रहे हैं डाटाबेस के.
ओके. हाँ, अभी फ्री वाला खत्म हुआ होगा ना.
तो जो कुछ डाटाबेस से कनेक्टेड है वो नहीं चल रहा है. बाकी ये रेलवे ऐप पे अब मैं अगर आपको लिंक देता हूँ तो आप शायद अपने पे देख सकते हो. अपने में मैं 1 मिनट डाल देता हूँ आपको.
ओके सर.
ये अभी तक 2 दिन पहले तक काम कर रहा था. 2 दिन पहले उनका मेल आया पैसे दो, नहीं तो बंद कर दिया उन्होंने. नहीं तो आप लोग अपने सिस्टम पे
वगैरह नहीं देख रहे हैं? इस चीज के लिए कुछ इन्वेस्टर वगैरह नहीं देख रहे हैं? काफी पता
अभी पहला फोकस है कि प्रोजेक्ट अपना सबमिट कर दूं, क्योंकि मैंने अभी प्रोजेक्ट नहीं सबमिट करा. मैं आप लोगों से पीछे चल रहा हूं. और क्योंकि इनिशियल प्लान कुछ और था मेरा. साइनॉप्सिस में थोड़ा सा टेबल का प्लान बदल गया. ये वो तो मैं समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. मैं स्टक हो गया हूँ कि कैसे लिखूं उसको, कैसे उसे बताऊं. प्रोजेक्ट तो नो डाउट मैंने बना लिया है, पर मैं तुम लोगों से यार पीछे रह गया हूँ, इसलिए कि मैं सबमिट नहीं कर पाया हूँ अभी तक, क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हो गया हूँ और पता नहीं क्यों मूड भी नहीं जम पा रहा है सही से अभी.
Okay, I think this is a good project, but it has to be extended all over the planet.
Yeah,
Okay.
it is, sir, already. Sir, let me show it. If you are interested, I can show the whole functionality of it. Sir, suppose this is user 1. This is user 1. A B C 1 2 3. ठीक है सर. ये इसका सपोज करिए एक यूजर है, इसने अभी तक इतनी 21 रिक्वेस्ट, 1 पेंडिंग, 6 प्रोसेस इतना कर रखा है. अभी मैं इसको एक सबमिट न्यू रिक्वेस्ट दे रहा हूं. मैं कह रहा हूं मेरे पास लैपटॉप 10 पड़े हैं, ठीक है सर, और ये लखनऊ इंडिया, ठीक है. क्यों ऐसा एड्रेस इसलिए दे रहा हूँ कि मैं फ्री का मैप यूज कर रहा हूँ, तो उसमें बहुत गली का और उसका नहीं ले पाता है. अगर मैं पेड सर्विस लूंगा तब वो मैप मेरा ले लेगा. अदरवाइज ये बहुत जनरल जैसे रेड फोर्ट हो गया, कुतुब मीनार हो गया, जामा मस्जिद हो गया, ये सब चीजें उठाता है, ठीक है. तो ये अब मैंने देखिए 76 नंबर रिक्वेस्ट है मेरा, और ये मैंने लैपटॉप 10 हो गया मेरा, ठीक है सर. अभी ये स्टेटस पेंडिंग दिखा रहा है, क्योंकि अभी मैं इसको एडिट भी कर सकता हूँ, डिलीट भी कर सकता हूँ. तो ये अब यूजर 1 के पास 76 नंबर रिक्वेस्ट है, इसने डाल दी है. अब मैं वापस एडमिन पे पहुंचता हूँ. अब देखिए एडमिन के पास ये एक न्यू रिक्वेस्ट नंबर 16, आज 16 नंबर है, आज की दिखने लगी है यहाँ पे. और यहाँ पे भी दिखने लगी न्यू एक्टिविटी में 76 लैपटॉप बाय यूजर 1, और 76 नंबर यूजर 1 अप्रूव. अब मुझे अप्रूव करना है इसको, ठीक है, तो अप्रूव कर दूंगा मैं. बल्कि मैं एक ऐसा करता हूँ, मैं आपको एक और फंक्शनलिटी मेरी एक और पड़ी है पिछली वाली, मैं वो अप्रूव करके दिखाता हूँ. ये मेरा नाम है और ये मैंने इसको अप्रूव कर दिया, ठीक है. अब ये मेरे पास मैंने अप्रूव कर दिया. अप्रूव करने के बाद मैंने असाइन करना है कलेक्टर. 72 नंबर अभी मैं कर रहा हूँ. मेरा जो नाम है कलेक्टर 1 को मैं असाइन, एक कलेक्टर 1 मैंने असाइन कर दिया है, यानी कि 2 मैंने डमी कलेक्टर लगा रखे हैं. अब मैं कलेक्टर 1 वाले उस पे जाऊंगा तो 72 नंबर मुझे दिखाई देगी. अभी कलेक्टर 1
72. Okay, it's okay, it's all right.
सर एक चीज मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. देखिए सर, यहाँ पे ये पिंस जो लगी हैं ये बता रही हैं कि कहाँ पे मेरा पड़ा हुआ है, ठीक है ना. तो आपका जहां जहां वो पड़ा होगा तो वहां पे ये पिंस जो है आपको मोस्टली बता देगी. बल्कि पिंस को क्लिक करेंगे तो ऊपर वो लिख के भी आ जाएगा कितना पड़ा है, कितने कंप्यूटर हैं, किस जगह पड़े हैं. तो ऐसे करके मैं वो कर दूंगा. तो अभी 72 नंबर जैसे मैंने करी थी. अब मैं कलेक्टर इसको कलेक्ट कर लेता तो कहेगा मार्क एज कलेक्टेड, तो इसने इसको मार्क एज कलेक्टेड कर दिया. अब ये वापस पहुंच जाएगा एडमिन के पास.
That's indicating what is the data of the laptop or PCs or something. They are at various places and all that. But basic thing is ultimately this electronic waste management has to be done properly, so that it should not affect the total health of the universe. So that's important.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay.
Sir. Okay sir.
Okay, fine. Any other person, please?
So, should I stop?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any other person?
सर अटेंडेंस हो गया?
हाँ विजय.
पूछ रहा था अटेंडेंस हो गया क्या?
है
अटेंडेंस सर, अटेंडेंस ले रहे हैं ना?
attendance, I'll take it. I'll tell the people to take the attendance. Just a moment. Okay, your attendance is being taken. Any other person would like to quickly start with the project or something? Otherwise, we'll wait for 23rd November. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
All right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, while the Viva will be taken, they will be asking about the programming language, technical questions as well, no?
Yes.
Okay.
अगर तुमने प्रोग्राम करा हुआ है, कोड करा हुआ है, तो बताएंगे ना, वो पूछेंगे.
Okay, sir.
तुमने कोड तो अपने प्रोजेक्ट में लगाना पड़ेगा. हाँ जी.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So,
Okay, fine. Thank you.
okay, sir.
सर मेरा जो प्रोजेक्ट है सर, इसमें क्या मैं पॉसिबल तैयारी कर सकता हूँ क्या? मैंने क्योंकि मैंने बनाया तो है, लेकिन सर क्या होता है कि कंप्लीट मैं अभी भी अपने आप को समझता नहीं हूँ. तो कहाँ
your
में
project is okay. It's well, जो जैसे तुमने बताया है, it's okay. Only next step is how do you do the waste management? That's important.
How do you
do the e-waste management?
Sir, actually, you have not seen the full project. I was showing it to you. The collector will collect, and the recycler will take the certified recycler will take the. Oh, actually, I am just working as a e-commerce platform for them.
नहीं, but broken PCs, broken TVs, वो क्या करते हो? What do you do with that?
The recycler will recycle. The recycler, certified recycler will refurbish or take its parts, sell it, or
you have to suggest the various processes of recycling of electronic goods, because all the electronic goods can't be recycled.
No, actually, there are certified e-waste recycler in India also.
Okay.
So I will only allow certified e-waste recycler on my platform, not everyone.
Yeah. Okay. पूनम, आप क्या पूछ रहे थे?
सर मैं वही पूछ रही थी कि हमारे लैंग्वेज बेस पे टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस भी रहेंगे.
हमारा प्रोग्राम किस लैंग्वेज में लिखा हुआ है?
सर जावा लिया है एंड ये एसक्यूएल लिया है.
ओके, फाइन. बिकॉज आजकल प्रेवलेंट इज पाइथन एंड ठीक है, जावा इज आल्सो ओके. पाइथन हैज बिकम मच मोर पॉपुलर. Okay,
sir, will they ask me about AI also on this my project, on my e-waste project?
What repeat the question?
Will they ask me what do you think AI can be used in this project?
Yes, somebody can ask. It depends upon how do you answer the question.
So what should be the proper answer for it, if you can tell?
So AI can be used for all the things, even for data preparation. AI can be used. AI GPT can be used for anything.
Sir, I think people can upload photograph of their e-waste, and the AI will count their number and segregate how much laptop, how much.
AI will tell you what is it, how do you do the waste management, AI will answer a lot of your queries.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, good. Any other person, please? Okay, then we'll meet on 23rd November.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye. Take care, Zizi.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Unless everybody has quickly some questions on the project. No?
No one, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Have you taken the attendance, sir?
He left the meeting.
I think he took it. He was saying,
Yeah,
he's taking
yeah,
attendance.
he has already taken.
Actually, Bittu sir was in a hurry.
Bittu, sir.
I was showing the full project and he was not interested. Some door has he has to close or open.